Everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your TikTok account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do, you're first gonna go ahead access your TikTok app, and this kind of interface gonna look like here in this like home section, right? Again, you're gonna go ahead tap on your profile icon. You're gonna go ahead tap on this three horizontal line on top, and you're gonna go to this option called settings and privacy, and go ahead tap on this option called account on top. And here in this section you can see we have all kinds of settings for our account, including this option called deactivate or delete account, which we need. So tap on it and tap on this delete account permanently option given below, and now you got to choose a reason for you why you're doing so, and tap on this continue. You can add the skip as well, and you can see you can go ahead download your data. If you would like to tap on this request download, you're gonna go ahead download your data afterwards, or you can tap on this by continuing to review your data. Simply check on this, tap on this continue, and now again tap on this continue option, and then you will be able to delete your account like that from TikTok over here. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.